What's the meaning of archduchess? Archduchess. Archduchess.
Archduchess. Archduchess. Archduchess is a title used to describe the wife of an archduke or the daughter of an emperor, king, or archduke. The term is commonly associated with members of the Austrian royal family, and was often used during the Habsburg dynasty. An archduchess would have held a high rank within the royal court, and would likely have had significant influence in political and social affairs. Today, while the title is purely honorary and carries no official responsibilities, it remains a symbol of aristocratic heritage and cultural significance.